How to set up shipping options and rates on your Shopify store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you quick and easy how to set up your shipping and delivery options on your Shopify store. So first of all, head to the Shopify website, go to your account, open your account and open your store that you want to edit, and then click on settings here in the bottom left corner. Then you can click on shipping and delivery. So for this, you can either make new profiles or different profiles for different domestic or international rates. You can customize it for different products if each product has a different weight and the shipping rate is different. And you can use those profiles to roam around or to customize your website delivery rates however you want. So you can set up local delivery or pick up in stores if you have different locations where you sell your products. Or you can add delivery customization for how delivery options appear to buyers at checkout. You can hide, reorder, and rename delivery options. You can add saved packages, for example, a sample box. Or you can upgrade with third-party calculated rates at checkout if you have any different apps that can count your rates for you. You can add that by upgrading your plan. You can add packing slips and custom order fulfillment. And that's it for today. I hope you understand how to set up shipment rates now on Shopify. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.